Hey there, struggling with your Google TV and encountering AV issues? Don't worry. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to fix Google TV AV issues so you can get back to enjoying your favorite shows and movies without a hitch. Whether it's a simple connection problem or a more complex error, we've got you covered with detailed steps and tips. Step 1. Check your connection. Before diving into intricate troubleshooting steps, let's start with the basics. Ensure all your cables, including HDMI and power, are securely connected. Sometimes a loose cable can cause AV issues or lead to intermittent signal problems. If you're using any external devices like soundbars or receivers, double check their connections as well. Reboot your devices after reconnecting to see if this resolves the issue. Step 2. Inspect your HDMI cable. Faulty or low-quality HDMI cables can lead to poor audio and video performance. Try swapping out your current HDMI cable with a newer or higher quality one. Also, test the cable with a different HDMI port on your TV. If the AV quality improves, the problem might lie with the port or cable itself. Remember, using an HDMI cable that's labeled high speed or premium can significantly improve the transmission quality. Step 3. Adjust audio settings. If your issue is more related to sound, adjusting the audio settings on your Google TV could be the solution. Navigate to the settings menu, select audio, and make sure your settings align with your audio equipment. Change the audio output format to see if it improves the sound quality. Sometimes selecting a different format like PCM or Dolby Digital can make a difference. Step 4. Update your Google TV firmware. Firmware updates can fix bugs and improve performance, so it's essential to keep your Google TV up to date. Go to the Settings menu and select System followed by About. Here, choose System Update to check for and install any available updates. This can solve various issues by ensuring your device has the most recent software improvement. Step 5. Try a different streaming app. At times, the issue might not be with your TV, but with a specific streaming app. Test another app to see if you experience the same AV problem. If other apps work fine, consider reinstalling the problematic app or contacting their support for further guidance. Clearing the app's cache can also help resolve glitches causing AV issues. Step 6. Factory reset as a last resort. If all else fails, a factory reset might be necessary. Be warned, this will erase all custom settings and downloaded apps, returning your device to its original state. Access the Settings menu, select System, then About, and choose Factory Reset. Make sure you've backed up any essential data or note settings before proceeding. After the reset, reconfigure your device to see if the AV issues are resolved. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be well equipped to fix Google TV AV issues. Remember, start with the simplest solutions before moving to the more advanced options, and always prioritize checking connections and settings. Keeping your equipment updated and ensuring you use quality cables can prevent many common AV problems. Enjoy uninterrupted streaming on your Google TV.